Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening your camera app. Let's simply tap on it, and since we are in the standard automatic mode, so the photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. And as you can see right here, we've got the timer, this crossed out icon. So let's simply tap on it, and we've got 3 more options from which we can choose, so 2, 5, and I believe it is 8 seconds delay. So let's simply tap on the option you want to use. As you can see, immediately this icon will be highlighted, so let's tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 8, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, of course you can always turn off the timer. Simply tap on this icon and tap on this crossed out option. Let me tap on it. Alright, it has been applied, so from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.